welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making vegetable soup that is perfect for white rice. I think sometimes we need to let stew rest, so you're going to saute some onions in a pot of palm oil or red oil. You're going to let that fry a bit, going with some tomato and pepper puree or paste, and then you're going to give that a good mix and just allow it to saute or fry until it is properly done. Then you're going to go in with some crayfish. I used the powdered crayfish. You're going to go in with some deboned fish, smoked fish particularly. You're going to mix all of that until it is properly combined. Then, as you can see in the video, I'm just mixing and stirring it so that it just blends perfectly. You're going to add some pepper for some added spiciness, but if you don't want it, you can just leave this step out. Then you're going to add some seasoning, curry, thyme, salt, and just give that a good mix. Add some water or meat stock if you have it. I had some stock left over, so I just added it into the pan, and then you're going to cover that up and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that is ready, you're going to go in with some washed spinach, and then you're going to cover it up so that the steam can walk through the leaves before you start to stir all over again. Mix carefully to combine, and by now the aroma in your kitchen is so amazing. This sauce is perfect and it tastes so delicious. I hope you try it, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that, like, share, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.